Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Home Affairs found evidence of fraud and identity theft that was committed 23 years ago by Chidimma's mother. But there is some new evidence of someone who is also claiming that Chidimma might be her sister's child who died some time ago. So she's saying, guys, come to think of it, my sister is a long lost daughter. Her name is Chidimma, which is very close to Chidimma, the recent Miss SA finalist. She looks like my late sister, allegedly. I've been looking at her mother's picture and they look nothing like each other, but she looks perfectly like my sister, mom, and my sister's son. We even have her birth certificate, which matches her and doesn't match her father's statement, because if he came to SA in 2010, I think she was supposed to be 14 years by now, which is impossible because she's now 23 years old. So in simple terms, she's just saying that her sister got impregnated by a Nigerian guy who took the child away from her, and they never gotten to see her again. And then, to me, if you can see the pictures, they look like each other. You can comment in the comment section to see if you have seen the resemblance. I don't know what you guys think, but the Home Affairs is saying there is like an identity theft that happened. And more investigations are being done. And that means that on Saturday she won't be contesting, because now there is a criminal case that has been opened. And people are asking, where is Pearl? Where is Somizi? Where is DJ Sbu on this one? And also, where is Lerato when all these things are happening? Can they say something? Because they were the ones who were defending her so much. And also, Bara Hospital needs to answer, because her birth certificate says she was born there. I don't know what you guys think, but I think on this one, Gayton was right. We can safely say Gayton was right on all this. And so more investigations, and a lot of people are going to be in jail for this fraud. At this point, I think we need also DNA tests to be conducted between the family that is coming out saying that 23 years ago, their sister also got impregnated by a Nigerian guy. And the statement of Chidimma's father saying they came to South Africa 2010 needs to be questioned as well. Chidimma just opened a can of worms for the whole family now, because everyone needs to be investigated. There are a lot of things that are being implicated on the whole situation. So a lot of stakeholders are going to be engaged. And the case also highlights the reason for the department blocking of certain duplicate ideas, and the court ordered unblocking of these documents must be handled with caution.